Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, my beautiful people in the house, guys. Hello, I greet you all. Good evening to you all, my beautiful people. How not day? How not day? Who is calling? Oh, hello, everybody. How not day? Oh, hello. Hello, everybody. Good evening, my beautiful people in the house. I greet you all. Good evening, wherever you are watching me from. How not day, my people. Good evening, my beautiful people all over the world. I greet you all. I greet you, appreciate. Please share this video out, guys. Good evening, everybody, wherever you are watching me from. Yes, although I love Christian enter today, but I know first, Gary. I no vex for me, Jare, my people. I greet you a lot. You are welcome. Oh, favor, you are welcome. I greet you now. Me, welcome, my beautiful people. How not day? How not day, my people, my people. Good evening to you all. Yes, guys, this Vera TV program, although on my YouTube channel, Vera Television, my Facebook, Vera Television program, while my YouTube channel, Vera TV program. Oh, yes, my lovely people, I greet you, appreciate you. Please share this video, guys. So let's continue. No time to shelter. Oh, yes, my beautiful people, before we start, my lovely ones all over the world, although I don't know the time when I take the enter, you know. If I will do this, I'll do that one time. Don't go, my people, more than love this. You understand? So I need to still do one or two things, guys. So please share this video, please, my beautiful women out there. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking your time. Oh, thank you all, my people. So my first of all, I need to greet all my reference all over the world. Yes, for yesterday, those my beautiful people who support me yesterday. Thanks to you all. Yes, because yesterday many people support me on my supporters this thing yesterday. So this morning I can't see and the many God will continue to the bless me as they start to the support me yesterday. Supporters here, supporters on my page here. God will continue to the bless you all. God will continue to the bless you now. Well, my lovely people. Oh yes, so I thank you so much and I appreciate a lot because I not expect yesterday. Yes, many people. Oh, Miss Joanne, you are welcome. You are welcome, my beautiful people. Please share this video out so that will continue, my lovely people. So I thank you so much yesterday for supporting me. As my yesterday they support me long time ago. God will continue to bless you all, my beautiful women, our brothers and sisters out there, our loved ones. God will continue to bless you as well. So I thank you so much. I appreciate you. Yes, so for yesterday I not expect. So this morning many supporters. Oh my God. And now just put me for monthly. Oh, God will continue to bless you. In our pocket when I for bring the money. He go dey full in the mighty name of Jesus. And up. He go dey go by special grace of God. I thank you so much. I appreciate a lot. Thank you, our beautiful mommy, our beautiful daddy, all over the world that support me yesterday. My support for my supporters. Yes, we just click yesterday. They just I thank you so much. So my beautiful people. What we want talk about today, I know what we want talk about because of this thing where they go on, my beautiful people. I know say some people they, as you see they talk and so many people they now they say hide their face inside house. They don't want to come outside, they don't want voice out because many people now want they turn up. Because yesterday, my people, when I did a video yesterday, so some people they call me today. You understand? They say ask me to talk for Adan Odeshi, Abiade, they call am with Rita Odeshi. Say the matter, me not talking well. I will call the support church team, my beautiful people. Who go Opo, good evening, happy, you are welcome. I'll call the Opo and they support those kind of people. You understand? I don't feel Opo I support those kind of people because who really get feeling, who really gets human sympathy go feel for that girl. You understand? So many people present and come outside and want to see the support them. The movie come outside, they say, do she abi wetin they call this man, make this pastor forgive the girl. So if you not come forgive her, now waiting that one come me. That one now make them they beg the man. Now since the papa and the mama don't beg, they're not here. You understand? Because some people now want they like to the change this matter, want to the turn out. Turn go here, go here, my beautiful people. I still know say this matter. So many people are still going to bias because they're not full of bias. I know say wetin make the movie talk about her yesterday. I still say make God, may they forgive that guy. Me say make God still forgive him. Because he come and he saying a pastor. You do pastor now, not reach how many days now you call it. You know, see all of you are the same. All of them are the same. Because you now go physically do the same thing when Dumeje do to this girl. Because when you go see say, may Dumeje and Rita forgive her. No, may they not forgive her. They don't need to forgive her. Since now they born her, may they kill her, may they shop her. You understand? We see no say many of them will still they bias for this matter as this girl still suffer ratio, as her dad Jesus still suffer ratio. Many people will still they bias because he's used to their blood. He's used to them. They are full of that. You know, they let them they live. You understand me? Because for you to even quarrel with the pastor and that woman say what they do not good, they tell say then they made them forgive. May they not forgive her now. Say it don't go viral now. When that Jesus do me before that girl start to talk, my people, that girl knows something about Dumeje and Rita Doshi. That girl knows something about them. Now they know what they want to kill that girl put. They should forget say that girl get this one, that girl get that one. Me not believe that one, my people. You understand? Please share this video out, guys. Please, guys, my people, wanna help me share it out. You understand me? So the movie want to do yesterday because the movie go physically do the same thing when this man do so. Because when you say they stop Central, if they stop human Central and human trafficking, now so you still take the collect bribe, the day when they not give and go come outside, call the disgrace them. That kind of person still waiting, wants to do human being like I not go do my people. So yesterday they told say may they forgive them, may they forgive them, maybe if they beg them, you don't need to beg them. Say the truth or where the truth. The more they start for the truth, more they talk the truth at the right time, more they talk the truth how it's supposed to be. We don't need to be turning it here and there, back and front. They run up and down. When we see where the truth they will go, the banner. No, we don't need to bend it. So you don't need to tell say they must forgive her. May they forgive her. Forgive who? The suffer they don't use that get they suffer. It never reach. Me no say many presenters will still they bias on this issue because they are full of it. They are full of liars and they cannot say the truth or where the truth is. It's like the truth they each them. Understand, my people? It's like the truth they each them. They don't will still say truth for this matter when they go. I know the useless literary nation now when Malazan where don't go because you're the woman and you're the mistake. They all of them, many of them now when they see they lie, they will see how many presenters will see told this matter. People maybe don't see that Coco Mama, this our mommy, love like here. He cried, put say this thing pain and rich boo. So the lady cried. Say this one now evil people. But this thing no say many presenters go see Konya they are twisted. The movie don't start to the twister. The movie you don't need to twist this if you don't want to put rest. Because me know why the movie they try to twist her. Because the movie he said, you don't fall pastor. Pastor, when you fall, you don't reach how many days you total you want. You fall pastor, you don't reach 3 days, you sit down for us. Okay, Mona, just imagine that kind of a thing. You sit down for us. Wait till you know say you no go fit. Wait till you know say you no go fit do forever and ever. Who calls saying you? Now this one with the talk. Oh, now name because he don't he name a pastor. I don't know name who give you church self. The name of the church now be this one. I don't even know my people. You understand me? So he wants to the turn may they forgive her. May they forgive her. Okay, if you now say, okay, person can carry your matter come outside. So you too, we still have the might and audacity. Say, okay, you want swear for person or you want still go utter. Go sit and lay cost on small pikin. Because when you say you say go sit turn. And not only you, there plenty when they go turn this matter upside down. We know them. You understand me? We know them. They must still turn. The Rita where they carry other people matter they talk now. All the Yoremona stand up because this will not be for only one person. I felt talker yesterday. They not be saying because they fight, okay, fine, they be Igbo. No. Igbo na from Nigeria, so we all are the same. So as far as it don't involve a Peking or it don't involve a human being, we still need to voice out, we still need to talk. Put all those one where they carry present a matter talk, one they like to the gang up against person. Not be time of gang up, not be this one. All of them wanna come outside, wanna call talk, put. You understand? All of them, Mona come outside, Mona come talk for this issue, Mona come outside, Mona come voice out, Mona come voice for this girl. You understand me? So Mona know all those presenters, all those fake presenters, where they say they be presenter, where they know they feel the talk truth. We don't need una. If you not tired for the work, una fit enter house. You understand? If they're tired, they feel enter house because they will see the truth now that they burn out. You won't be a part of the movie. As you see old rich, you know if you want to see talk truth for Ada and this man matter. You want to see the talk, so wait till they talk good, abi. You want to see the talk, so wait till they do it good. Whether they lay cost or that small pikin for ground, my beautiful people, they lay cost or that child. Nobody go see that. Many men, when they not be even live video presenter, they don't verse. Many of the verse, they do video about this thing. If you look social media, you go see men, but some useless sticky women when we say that the first I be presenter, I be YouTuber. Men they not go great talk about that because they still be evil like them. Men they don't want to still talk about this thing when they go on now. The imbecile return, I mean, not sure say the useless return, the tyranny nation, he go great talk put. Even if he talk put because he don't feel there for bias. Now waiting if people, waiting if followers, they waiting if people they talk. Now she go see come outside and talk. Now she go come outside cut off. They go first do the first they listen to each other. They listen, they want hear waiting that one talk before they call use that one out they talk. No. Mona come outside, Mona speak the truth. Mo will come outside, Mo will talk for this thing. Because if we don't start, the first talk say, good evening, you are welcome. The first talk say, those pastors now they be the problem of Nigeria. Those pastors that they be trouble for Nigeria. You understand me? So all of now, when they do live video presenter, I call and say live video presenter. We need to come outside though. We don't need to leave it for only Igbos because we all will be the same. Because when this Apostle Suleiman come that time, many people still talk put. I see those many people, many Igbos that come outside, they speak Igbo, so that they want use their own language to talk. You understand me? And wait till I call reason my people before they call the talk say Ada. It get what it happen. It's not that maybe Ada no know those people's secrets. Now they know what they want kill this Ada put. They Ada get those people's secret because they see pictures where they fly on her right now. Say Ada even this Rita Doshi and Ada with this pastor Zoa what they call her. Then they snap picture. No be today be the first time. Don't be today be the first time when be say they snap picture. They know each other. They know each other. If I say that girl know their secret before that girl go talk, he know that person and that person. For now, look at pictures where they fly. Maybe not see all those ones. Pictures where they fly or hell, go no say that pastor. So my beautiful people, they don't know. You understand? They that Rita, this again. So she don't know. She don't know. Say yes. See waiting that they do her because many people say now better thing. Not be better thing no. No be better thing. Waiting that girl talk. You don't lie against all those Rita and that woman. You don't get way for lie. You don't get way for talk lie. You don't get way for talk like my beautiful people. Now truth he talk. They know what it made they go post secret for that girl, but they made the girl for not expose the finish. Because if you be saying a lie, they talk. And the thing where this girl they accuse on put, not really doing. They're not really doing. You understand? They're not really doing. I don't see the reason why they want kill this girl. So when we go to see pictures where they fly her hair, now we go to know say, okay, that means those people don't this girl don't know those people's secrets, including that Rita, this that man Dumezoa, they call her. This girl know their secret. They insulting fishing where they don't allow them, they don't want to make this girl talk because not only it come outside talk say you don't know what they happen no, the church they not the believer, not as they see and not be so happy, not as they see the church and 419 wuru, including that babalawo when they talk. But when I come look at the babalawo now is even more better than pastors. Now me one guy come out that as he say babalawo and native doctor, oh mommy, hope you are welcome, my mommy. Good evening, ma. Good evening, my beautiful mommy. Mommy, hope, thank you for joining. You understand? So, my beautiful people, that boy when come outside say Baba, a native doctor and pastor and native doctor, they do challenge. No be lie, you. They are really doing challenge because you can see another pastor, that native doctor even better pass pastor. You understand? Good evening, my big mommy. A native doctor like call better pass pastor because of say, my beautiful people. Because of longer throat, pastor no fit forgive Ada for church. Now even native daughter can't even get mind of sympathy, mind of forgiveness, mind of say, oh, mo will let her go. Oh, mo will forgive, make I forgive her. The man can't get say, even if you do something, can't say get what he do. Now his name he use and spoil. Really, now his name he use and spoil. You understand? Okay, now Rita bring Ada Jesus to Dumezu church. Okay. They not be just play. He get where they for know my people. He get where they for see, get where they for know. You understand me? All those things where that get talk. Some not truth, if all not be truth. Men in our truth, yes. Men in our truth, my beautiful people. That girl not just sit down, begin all the lie. Or just the forge waiting, you know, do. Even the native daughter can't even get says past pastor and the Rita. Not be the same accusation when he lay against, when he talk, when he take insult pastor, not be take insult native daughter. But my people, why native daughter can't forgive pastor? Because they don't forgive. And they don't like to call the bend, but I don't want to call the verse me. They say the girl fed the sick. If I get sick, the but we don't fair yes, me not fair hear that one. Because Nigerian people, now that one made that country not better. If matter you come outside, none of my people, they will just like to twist it. Do you like me the your banner? Do you like me the your cut the matter half? Very bad. Don't like to cut, don't like to bend, don't like to shift the matter. But this girl, no, I don't know where that girl. Okay, when they say the kidney problem, why did not call increase like the one with this girl called Dana? When they say stroke don't evolve, many things don't evolve. The girl like this she called B. And many presenters want still they change her. Many YouTubers want still they turn the matter against the girl Ada. We don't need to blame that girl now because that girl now nowhere. Because something is fishing, my people. Yes. Something is fishing. Either good or bad, my beautiful people. That girl know they are secret. They know, you know, those two women. That woman, so it get what it still be for the church. You can even be saying if you be saying that woman get that church. They don't want people know. They don't want to tell people. They don't want people know what they happen, my beautiful people. They don't want people know. So they are just trying to hide it. They are just trying to cover it up. They try to lock her up. And people now, once they told the matter, say the girl fed the sick, and the girl fed they do this one, and the girl fed get what they call it, whether cancer or something like that. A big kidney problem. Me, I don't believe that one. Because the thing when you take get, you don't call your increase. Why you come and say pastor say he do something or they do something, and the thing increase. Eh? Because the thing don't get as it be. Native doctor now is even more better than pastors. Native doctor now can still better past pastor. Many people want to change that girl nowhere. They need to do something before they something go happen to that girl. And they don't need to call the change and say the girl fed the sick. The girl not fed the sick. We don't need that one. If they don't say this matter, not go let the talk up. Many presenter, many one when they want to do video now. If you not say the matter, don't go let you talk. You want to enter house. They should enter house. I know so many useless presenters will still talk this thing. A pie the movie the right say make a Dumeje and Rita forgive Ada. That one I talk. A pie the movie anything. A pie the movie if you don't know what you want to you enter house. I don't understand that man. You don't go fit talk better thing now for the matter now. I be they don't see add you join society when they see they do for Nigeria when they think they do pastor. Maybe they don't add you. Huh? Maybe they don't add you because you know you see that say make them forgive. Okay, make them not forgive her now. Make them not forgive her that make it die. Make something happen to her. They make them wait for waiting go happen because this kind of way that they do now is not too much. Now Nigeria pastor they are more waiting to make that country better, and they are hiding away from the truth. They are still trying to bend the issue now. They want still try to bend her. Yes. They say that for me, what you talk yesterday, and I say that I say, may do me John, may Rita, may they forgive her. May God forgive you. Yes. May God forgive you for saying that word. Because they grant the secret, they say, may they forgive her. May they forgive her. No, may they not forgive her. May they let the pikin die. Or may something happen to her. That whether that church, as this matter don't go worldwide, whether that church will not be brought down. that church will be burned down. Nothing will make that church burned down. Because you don't fit keep person pikin finish crow, you go say you be pastor. Or you be Alpha and Omega, nothing they happen. Something must happen. Sure, I remember one when I told her that when pikin, small pikin, about 2 years boy miss for church. She at the end today that the church no dey exist again. The pastor, whether he die or whether he dey alive, many people don't know again because they bought that church that they scatter everything. If I say how meet the pastor, whether they call arrest the pastor or make the pastor call go prison. Now let God know. You understand? So they should stop to say, make wait some. Once they bias, say waiting the pastor doing good is to show, is to as in how the take put out. May others still learn lesson. Now pastor they teach teach human being bad lesson. Why can't he teach right people lesson when they say they go learn, they go know as in the people go they learn good from them. Native doctor got to do good. You as a pastor cannot do good thing. Eh? May they stop to the go fake church, they don't go here. May they stop to the go those Ibesa church, they don't go here. May they stop to the go those church where you go put them for watch out, they don't go here. They go the road, go church, the road, go church. Even this abroad, there's some church you don't need to step your leg. There's some church you don't need to go. There's some church you need to hide yourself. You understand? Many presenters are still coming out, try to bend the issue, try to bend now. If they don't want to talk, may they rest. If una wey be presenter, una no want talk or that be YouTuber and be Facebook, una no want talk truth for this matter, but we'll give them their blame. They should rest. Because responsible human being, we not go see this thing, good evening, you are welcome. Responsible human being, we not see this kind of a thing, then you will still continue to support evil. Now more than I bought that pikin, now more than give that pikin, now I get back to that pikin. You understand me, my people? Now I get back to that pikin. It's not animal, it's not goats. Now you might be bought that pikin. So they should stop all those what he do that the guy now he go fight trouble. Why go they insult man of God? You know how many man of God they don't insult? Pastor Suleiman insult when he received 2016 through 2017 and so this man, this pastor, this Benin pastor, even those many Yoruba pastors, you don't know insult black men and all that way they don't use the they do. How many come outside say one key person? Or who talk am before they'll call the fan or they'll see something that they happen to them. Huh? They'll see something that they happen to them. You know, come on. All those ones just they live their life, they go, you talk, you tire, you rest. Because they said that public figure, they must talk about them. People know they talk about Davido, Whiskey, and all that, all those music and what we get. They are talking about them as well, that they block them. So that's what Davido go come and go say one key people when they call blogger. He want your cause people anybody when they blogger go you get sickness. Now he do one. It blog when they don't blog show man Davido self. Now smart thing. Waiting not happen, they'll say happen. Where they not there, they'll say something happen for them. When I'm not saying my beautiful people. So why are those people are not trying to bias? Why are those people are not trying to bend this issue up and down? A part the movie they talk on another thing. A part the movie now they cause all problems. Now so you go sit near this matter now. At the end, people will cause you to turn the matter again. A part the movie this matter not let you talk, but you rest. Not be by force. Saga must continue. You continue your saga. And who tired for you to watch you go rest. You understand? And if you don't want to talk for this issue, not by force. In many presenters don't want to say truth for this issue because it's not your sister, it's not your brother, we are not the same family, not the same, it not concern you. It's good. If you don't want to talk about it, don't talk about it. Not the one you want to try to support Rita and that man, Dumezu, I better they call him. No, it's not supposed to. We don't need to support those people. We don't need to support that man. Never. Because what they did is not good. You understand? If they want to shop the girl, make the shopper. Since they done and they can't get her. But I pray make the girl aware because if person don't feel your body, another person go your carry out and do pepper soup just like that. You understand me? So a presenter, if no one come outside, make una still support this girl so that they go remove her for those evil, so that may not still go touch person for your own family. Because if they don't start this way that they do now, they'll of start to share around. You can start to touch many people we're not supposed to touch. You will start to involve many people we're not supposed to involve. Because that's what they think they start evil. If this man don't start another, they don't start to support this evil man and this retardation. They will continue it. Yeah. They will continue doing it. Now, so they'll call they do and they know any small person thought they'll say they want to go swear and they want to go utter. But the utter they did not go into to save the country. The author, they don't go make the country better. The author, they don't go make everywhere for good. The author, they don't go make it be say Nigeria can't get light. Or everywhere come better for Nigeria. Me, I don't understand some presenter when they abroad. If this place no good light, no dey, you say go there for comfortable. For we to insult all those useless pastor and celebrity, all those useless pastor and politicians, that they want to turn against small pikin. When pastor go come outside, I saw they heal this one, I saw they heal that one, whereas they don't get who they heal. When all those one go out, the problem will not worst. Many go even die, they not go talk about them again. It's happening. So it's hard time for them to be disgracing them. Anything you know about fake pastor, disgrace and bring the pastor come outside. You understand? Bring the pastor come outside, don't hide them. Because if you don't start to do them like that, now evil they will do every day. The one they keep people children, not be the one that they build their church, not be rich one when they be say all those people they do, where some people don't know, when some members don't even know. If they don't do this one, don't they go viral now? All of them will start to do them again. If you talk, they'll say they go out. Where not get any altar where they go. They are just evil. Person don't go both talk as the politicians say. If you talk, they'll say they want to kill the person. If you talk, they'll say that they find you call house. If you talk, they'll say they want to go kill the papa and the mama. Pastor, man, I want your cousin they do that one. It doesn't make any sense. And people should stop blaming that girl. May they stop to blame Ada. Ada don't get what he costs. He talk right now. What he see now, he talk. He see them. They are not. Maybe that girl said they don't even use a thing to set up of you they sick and we don't hear you. Get up, say you don't wear. If you don't use that girl for past, you don't go know. You don't go know say na she. If you don't even put her for wish or one or two things, you don't go know say na she. If you say he don't go do some kind for one holy he wear the sick. If you say don't do one for them, you see everything you see there is not real. Don't think that what you see there is real. He said it. Can you imagine? Very rubbish thing. You know, maybe they don't use that girl. Those pastors and Rita know they say that girl know their secrets. Yes, it can be that girl really know their secret too. We don't need to hide this. Can be that girl. No, they don't use that girl. Before that girl, because when we can see the picture where they don't stand, something is fishing. It can be that girl. They don't use her pay her money, or they don't use her for another place that they don't give pay her, or they want to do that girl for one night. When that girl come outside, call the truth or kind of word come out. It can be they promise her money, they don't give her, or they don't use that girl for many for one night. Say, you know, they do one now. And talk say they sick. Talk say you get this sick there. Talk say you your way. Talk say this one. So no mind, they'll go do makeup for leg. They'll say they make up the legs, or say they make up the face. Maybe you think say na real. Men did not be real. As that real talk, I say they say holy did there, oh God they work for them. They are lie. They are lie. That girl don't lie. It can be truth. Say nothing is going on there. They are using people to do it don't heal. You know, so they do like bad person. If you look at the pastor, so the pastor here not correct. We go carry this thing, crush, till they knock the for leg, till they knock the for leg, till they knock the for leg, till they knock the for leg. Presenter are still there. They are still looking for a way to turn it. They are still looking for a way to twist it. They are still looking for a way to bend the issue. Wage bend Obagu wagwaji wahewe. Mother of children nation Rita. If this matter not let you talk, go your house. Enter your house. Kakabo. Me no say this matter you go see Benna. Because when it be say that man for America, when it be say they say na him be the scam women. Like this carry the matter for head oh na the man no carry this pastor for head as well. Like this carry this pastor for head. Where I go, just make sure say you know the cover for Facebook and YouTube the chat and be saying the truth. Just ready to the chat and no support Rita Dumezu. Don't support them. Just the chat for their head. Because that man, that they will not do anything. You talk the matter more than 1 month. People say, can't even they beg. People say, can't even they beg Gladys. Gladys will work Gladys say like Gladys will rest for the matter. Gladys say no. Gladys will forget the matter. Gladys say no. Gladys will rest. Gladys say no. All of now one at the gang up now. Una no want talk. Rita no come find issue call the bend and your mistake. Now they do bad so because they say you save now, so you bad. Mother of all nations. Area who were why they bad. You see what call and when they call that, they say right from school, now I know you. He say, oh, wicked rich you know day. Rita, try you don't need to run. You don't need to hide. You don't need to run, oh, because if no matter what they not call you now, if not to gag up to call the cost me or to call the cost people when are not supposed cost, when I go gag up. The useless, shameless Lolekia, you don't need to run. Come outside that voice. You say that Igbo you marry. Come outside. Don't support that man or that woman, oh. Support that girl. Wanna support that girl. Lolekia and Rita. Oh, Mommy Emily. Good evening, man. Mommy Emily, you are welcome, my big mommy. Good evening, man. Thank you, man. You understand? Make all of them. Make they come outside. Make they call fight for this. They don't need to hide. No concern me. Rita Ladian. Come outside without your whole teeth. Try to come outside and we'll come fight this fight so that all those evil pastors will learn. You, Kakabo, as you the shout, so continue to the shout. Continue to the shout. You don't need to stop. Shout. This one a picky issue. You say you they fight for children. Like this. Now you be the talk to so. You say you they fight for children. As you read the fight for children, so try to fight for this girl. Don't hide it. Lolekia, you say your husband are Igbo. You marry Igbo. Igbo, okay. Now you marry. We know. Come outside and fight for Ada. One and not hide with herself for his house because this one now, we don't want to talk. One come outside, come fight. This fight is for everybody. You marry Igbo, you not marry Igbo. You be also we are from the same Nigeria, the same country. Now all of us for come. So may they come outside, may they come talk put. Understand? Very evil something. May they come outside, may they come voice for this guy. All those useless, shameless presenter. Now where me are? You not go see them now few. You understand? They're not go want talk put now because not be saga. Or because and that many now not clean as I say, not be my tribe. Otherwise, it concern you. It concern everyone. As far you don't be mother, you don't born, you still be father. This matter concern everybody, even if you never still born. If you see the video, you see what they do that girl. You still need to know say those people they are evil. You don't need to stay inside. You don't need to hide it. You don't need to say it not concern. It concern you. If you know say this Adam matter not concern you, you don't need to talk put. If you don't say not concern, you don't talk for other people issue again. Just take clear. Just mind your own business. Because if na to call cost now, if the Lolekia to call the talk rubbish now, Lolekia mat go down long. You go dey sell for Facebook, you go dey sell for YouTube, you go dey sell for Instagram. Lolekia mat shameless she goat ne kuemu. Oga la dan oga go no wa. Say na your husband sister na dey grass so come outside and fight for her because you now you don't hide because the matter now you go do now Lolekia when not the she. You don't go what to put. But now the one they not send you yours now, you go they send your useless sister for us. Your Yella. All those your sister where they send fake cards, they give them money, maybe they buy recharge cards. Call of them. May they see you the same fake account. May they see they comment. May they see they talk say what did that girl do? You know good. Not to come outside carry matter will not be off for head. They talk say that so Papa Wala, not be Papa Wala, Papa Wala not do this, Papa Wala do that. Never Wala get more. Because are you at the movie now cause all those problems for social media? We say problem not gree finish. So are your husband's sister out all set now? You don't need to hide. You don't need to hide your face because you don't go what talk put. Come outside and talk. Come outside and talk. You understand? Because that why they not send you now say don't do rest. Tomorrow you go come outside, you go do video. Next tomorrow you go say you don't rest. You go do video. Now so you take do video since last 30 now. Matter not gree finish. For the matter to finish, it increase every day. So this one that your husband people, you still try to increase the matter. Draw the matter to the highest level. So may we still know where you still fight, reach for the matter. You understand? Make all of una all presenter wanna say una de social media wala Mona come outside, mona come talk put. Mona not hide. another one go come now, una go run follow that one, una go leave this one wey we dey. Everybody must stop put before any other one go come outside. You understand me? Because you know say as I told that they don't like truth. If they vex them for body, if they go they vex. And me not say make una not vex. Me not say make una not vex. If una want vex, you are free to vex. You are free to angry. Yes, that is your business. Because when you they call a power wife, they call a Mufi wife. A Mufi wife, they carry cloth, they put for mat. The Mufi wife sabi carry cloth, put for mat, they call you for your platform. A Mufi wife not carry cloth now, put for your for mat. Make it take call you now, make them settle the issue. Or make them talk put. He husband what talk, he husband say, me ada, me Rita. And this one make them forgive her that. A pa the Mufi me the shame for you. Now maybe say may God forgive you. I dey shame for you. You know they like to dey talk truth. But if that money they give you yourself, you go like talk truth. You go want bend the matter. Now you don't still want to talk truth for this matter. May them forgive and another one you get to talk. See what you even they talk for the video safe. You don't want to talk put, you don't want to talk put. It's not by force to talk put. Not be by force. Understand? If person do your pikin like that, you will not be happy. If person they shook out for your pikin like that because your pikin talk. You don't go happy. When they bring your pikin picture, come outside for here. You they cry. Cover picture. And the movie, you were crying. You understand? You were crying. So this one and another person pikin. Pikin where you don't grow, where you don't get sense. Now they want key. Play. So not come outside and say, Rita, Alenemi, Mona, please. Mona, forgive her. We don't need that. We don't need that. If you don't want to put a pa the movie lawa. Lolekia as you hide your life. Hide your life, oh. And anything don't make Lolekia top for the matter boga lawe. Anything don't make you Rita. Lolekia Rita. Iyore not do like say don't hear this matter, oh. Because if person talk, you they use it direct. Take the insult person. Iyore one of Paris. You say you na pastor, you na evangelist. You na ekia one evangelist gbogbo la dian do gwanjo gbare la wa. You say you be pastor, you say you be evangelist, you dey pray for people, you dey heal people. As it don't be like this, so may you still come outside do video, may you still talk about am la dangerous because oga mommy money caloban. You will come outside, go they throw direct to everybody. This one enemy. You go say that one enemy, and this one enemy, this one enemy. Go to use it direct they talk for them. But with the code knock you one, direct not go finish. If they do video today, go put her. If they do video tomorrow, you go put her. If they do video next tomorrow, you go put her. If they do video next 3 weeks, you go put her. You don't call it Igwe, your Igwe side chic Yuri. You be say you be pastor, not be pastor for mouth evangelist. La Dian. May they not kill Najare, my dear. Oh, may they not kill her. May all the presenter, all the Yore crew, Lolekia crew, they will get la wagbe. May all of them come outside, when I cut up put. In Yore, you say you na pastor. You say hallelujah, hallelujah, amen. You sort of water to bath, water ministry, sort of water ministry. Oh, na church, oh, you come outside now, come do video. Not be to the call for your useless Rita when he bought mother of foundation platform and made that one not go do DNA test, made the other one do, made that one not do. Imagine, man. You need to come outside, still do a video to the pastor, say no, what you did is not good. You and that woman is wrong. Mona come outside, Mona come talk. Yes, so mommy hope they laugh. No, not be only Jesus, oh, water ministry, oh, sort of water ministry, oh, sort of water ministry. You go to dance. Come outside. Come and show your talent. Come outside. Come and talk about it. Come outside and voice for that innocent girl. Iyore, Lolekia, the useless Rita when they born for Bangladesh. They'll say Bangladesh, I've been in Pakistan. You know the shame. You born for Pakistan. You the can't assess John who born for Igbo. You now, they come for your platform that day, oh, they are happy. You say you be share lady. You still need to see carry the share lady now. Useless Rita when they born the whole nation. Born for now Pakistan, be na. And they forget that now Pakistan. They say you born for Pakistan, you born for Nigeria, you cause you born for Zimbabwe. every time we no Google gbo because they do my help. Because if the my own now you don't come outside the mouth. All of una now don dey hide. All of una now don dey drop body like snail wey they pick for night. More na drop body come outside because that day, and me, all of them call they call the useless Toleka call for your platform. Useless Ijore, he call for your platform. The movie wife, all of una gang up. Useless Kate, when the day Spain, when you know the shame, she call for your platform. As una take gang up, so te una call they donate money for our behalf. So Mona still call on herself like that. Mona do video for this and that issue. Because not be only my own I go to talk. Not be only Vera do this. Or Mommy Monica do that. This one go bring blood test. This one you don't need to talk like this. So it never happen. That useless Rita wait it not complete for a month when they see you shame take hold it. She go come outside, she go the curse. I come out babu nowhere. Oh yeah, you the curse at the movie wife, you the curse at the movie. You say you bought for you both. If they look you and the movie, I said the movie. What they call this man? Oh, fair bright. Fair white bright better pass with the day UK now that they enjoy. You all now you do with Kokobiri for them. Me not see the improve when you they improve. I not see better thing when Rita they do. It matter to the cost. Baba cost they that woman mad. Baba cause now make a kiakui be one disguagwara that they do go the beg a kiakui. While I go beg a kiakui. The time that they do kuku because of person matter they gang up, they look for all the one drop. They do like say they're not here. All the they say they cover. They cover all the they say they open ear for another person. You know, say as they wicked. Who down walking. Come outside though. Because you did that day, Lolekia they come for your show. For matter when not concern you. For waiting up you na business. For waiting up you na edict. Lolekia call. You have been your coffee. Now Lolekia call. Me know say that one was a plan work. All of them fair plan and say if I your enter, Mona just call in. Mona just call in. Now waiting made they call the phone say that they call in for your platform. So now I still call them. They should call in more. Either they do video or they call in on your platform. You understand? You don't need to call the talk another word now, but they bring a different word. Thank you. I too love you, man. I love you, Jerry. Not be but they bring another word Rita because that Rita now tortoise will never know that woman who done. Rita are devil. That Rita when I see so when they do live video so pretend that must be the worst. Who done? Who done? When I say bien no she oh what bien. We never know that woman. You don't go talk if you don't go talk for this thing. But if now the one with they not call her, you so now see Rita go carry share, he go sit down. He go say in the analyzer. He go say in the analyzer. Me I don't know what you they analyze. Imagine your man will analyze. Very stupid human being. Efe. They carry Ugbebe. Not be mad one man so. Mad we hear mad in it. Come outside, come out for that issue, that Jesus. That Jesus, she need our attention. She need our support. She need our advice. She need our prayer. Waladia, wabola wagbe. Alright, to the draw, find way to bring presenter like una call down now. All of them don't be like crayfish for social media. This one gonna do for you. This one gonna do for you. That one gonna do for you. The young gago. This one gonna call this for far. You not come outside. Now you go call the other one. You not come outside. The other go call that one. They not come outside. She won't be like Lady Mo. Of course, my dear. Star shine. Thank you. If for that one, I not put red for you. Me go not kill you. You are boy lawa. Don't put red here. Wanna pursue them with red because they know they like truth. When I see Anna, when I see them, you now see they say they not greet up. You not greet up for this thing now. You are see them. And I see them. I don't the cost and I don't the pay them for body. You can't. Rita, come top put you. I don't the pay them because if I boy loud, we not press red for you. When you quit red we be. Choose that set of people. You see them. You don't have the verse the so because I talk. You see them. Now making this social media many people don't go better. Make them come outside talk now. They not go call the useless Rita. I not say useless Rita Loleke, all of the dot they here. Useless Loleke, the Gbema Honomona Muria. They here with fake accounts. I know. They are watching me. I know they are watching me, yeah. But the truth have to be said. The truth have to be said. May all of us, we will come outside. And this one is the third video. Yesterday, I do for YouTube in the morning. Then in the evening, I talk about them. This evening, I'm still talking about it. Not the only one I don't do. This is not my first video. Yesterday, when I did my platform yesterday for Facebook, and the one we see the YouTube yesterday. So you don't need to press red. You want to pursue that idiot with the press red. You understand me, my people? Because this one had the best thing. Because I was still leak their yash. If that money can they'll come as I go where Rita. Rita not press red for my video. Make God not punish you. If you know the fear, why not they use your real account stay the comments? But boy la wagbe. In a matter where they not say on the house now, on go come as on the lie, on the cruise, on go the shots. Eh? Now with the shot, choose less Lolekia. You know, go top for this, but I know them. Then you know, if you talk put safe, now small. If that woman talk put now small, if Lolekia go talk put, shameless she got people. No talk boy. Because they don't like truth. You see, they are here now, they are crying. You understand? Because they need to talk for this issue. You understand? They are crying out. You know, they press angry, kiss you. You see them? Useless Rita, the useless Lolekia, all of the, in fact, many of them, they useless. Useless. If that presenter like you now, you will come outside. I will not be the one to tell you, say, come outside that course. So if it's a presenter like you, like Boy Monica now, where it matter the lad like go, all of them will come outside like millipede when they come out for inside. Oh, they'll come outside, they'll call the gang up. They'll call the call, they'll call the do meeting. But this one, they don't do meeting. They refuse to talk. They refuse. As soon as they come, when I see do meeting, when I see they talk for that issue. As soon as they talk for people matter when I concern to like to bring your fellow presenter down. You stay there, you say you want better. You are trying to bring your fellow presenter down. And you say, me life better you. Our life go take better you. Life don't feel better you. Now what they worry Rita today? We say, Rita, life not better. Woman, wait don't. Not be say, okay, now by mistake. Woman went bought for Pakistan. See, they say I buy a Yibo, I bought for Yibo, or and all your teeth will take kiss Pakistan being this thing. Why your teeth not go remove? I make una see her teeth don't they will law. Ever come. And two, she's not a baby. She's not a baby anymore. You understand? Is that the come you say? You go they laugh. In no matter when no concern understand. Come laugh now. Come and laugh. Useless set of people. The useless Lolekia not call laugh for platform now. Or maybe they call themselves and say, okay, now as it can be so, I will take off for that matter. When I also say Lolekia not talk with. He do video, I better write her here. If you not see video when she do video. Useless people. No one Monica na togboa. No one na togboa. Eh? Last year for they carry my matter go. Like say I borrow the money. Like say get money with me borrow for them. They would ask it. Because this one will not be presenter. If not presenter just now when they like. Una go see. In a presenter just when they like. Una go say go they happy. They go they jolly. All of them. But as it could be now say no be after and I mean what talk with you know concern it concern all of us. It concern everybody. It concern you. It concern me. It concern everybody. And we need to talk put. Yes, my beautiful people. Mother of all nations. You did there, they fool yourself. You did there, they open it. You say you marry. And she don't even talk say that mother of all nations she be oh. No matter one day, she not talk. And that kind of person go say, I'm a presenter. I talk truth. I say the truth. Which truth do they talk? If you know you are saying the truth now, better come outside and join us to disgrace those people. Lolekia, Ijore, you say you be pastor. We know say you be evangelist, sometimes you dey talk truth, sometimes you dey lie. Yo, you need to come outside, call, talk, put. As you say, you be pastor, so you need to voice out, you need to talk about it, you need to say, this thing where you dey do so, e no good. If you can't be say you no fit talk for the matter, or you no fit gang up, or you no fit call each other, yes, you are evangelist, you are salt and water ministry, come outside and voice for this girl. It's not that what I'm saying is bad though, but they are going to turn it and say what I'm saying is a bad thing. It's not bad thing. Understand? Either that girl is Benin, is the Igbo, all tribe in that country, we are one. Yes. So all what I'm asking for is for them to come outside to support this girl. Because I'll be seeing somebody come and say the way I talk yesterday, not like her. Say, why me go they talk say the pastor do evil? No, now say he do evil. He do evil. Not to do that for the others to learn. No. He purposely do it for evil. Yes, he do it for evil. It's not for others to learn. If you want that girl to learn, could have called that girl and said, don't try me, oh, don't do this next time. But he wants just to kill that girl because maybe that girl have their secrets. So they should still come outside and talk about it. Not only to leave it for them just like that. No. Understand? So when I come outside, I will talk. It's not that I'm saying bad thing, but I know say definitely you go see the verse now. Because nothing of the verse, all those haters. All our lovers, God will continue to be blessed now. We want to know the truth. And mothers, when they still stand say, this thing all those pastors do is not good. God will continue to be blessed now. All people will go. When our children will see this kind of problem for body, we will not go run hater and scatter. Because who don't be mother need to stand for this kind of thing? Who don't be mother need to talk the truth for this issue? Even if you are not even a mother, you need to say a truth. Say the truth there. All of the pastors are fake, Jare, Miss Joanne, Jare. Many of them are fake. You understand? Many of them are fake. So you come outside and speak. Yes. Because this time around, they be say freedom of speech. It did. But I can't see now say there's nothing like freedom of speech. When you talk, they say they want to kill you. When you talk, they say they want God to beat you. When you talk, they say which mouth you take talk. So what I'm crying for is for people to join this girl to fight for her. Not people could call one call they cause the girl. Another one they pay me inside. Because people just try to be changing it. The girl has sickness, the girl is sick, the girl is not sick. Either the girl is fed the sick, the girl not fed the sick. But what I know is that they're not supposed to lay cost on that girl when she still dey ground. Wait till you not do, you not do. And wait till you do, now you go agree, say you do. They should stop to say the pastor vaccination. Which kind of vaccination be that one? So please, I'm calling for all the presenters, like the one we don't see now. Our big mommy Monica, he don't do you today. Still talk about you as he still no rich. Our big mommy, God will bless you for that one. Coco Mama, he do. Who else again? When he does still do this video, do for live video, do for posting. God will continue to the bless una. As una take talk put, it sweet me. Now as me self, see take talk put, una talk put well. But all those who are we say that they hide up and down, and they see they hide because not be presented like una want bring down. Me, I not support her. More una come outside. I did not carry. To enter Facebook. Not be smarting, ja. Not smarting. Not be smarting, Jare. You understand? So all the presenters should come outside and talk about this thing. Not only for we good people. If na my matter just now, they don't come outside, they talk. You never hear, they carry phone. Never hear till the apple. Blah blah blah. And I go enter live video later. Put. We don't need that one. Say no to that. Come out and speak the truth. Come out and voice out the real about you. Come outside and stand for the truth. Now we need now. Sort of water ministry. And they call you. The menu, una menu now. Eketi, what you say in and which? When they access say in and which for social media. Please come outside. Una menu now. They forget menu. Una plenty, una don't need to hide. Kate, that accept that she is a witch on social media, please come outside. Not only presenter like you that will have the power and the mind to insult because you the vex for presenter when you dey better pass you. No, Kate, come outside. If your wish no fit still work reach where pastor dey, maybe your voice, if you still voice out, they will still hear. Lolekia the demonic, Karashika the demon. Lolekia the blood sucker. Wetin papa wetin papa wa. E get wetin papa wala call Lolekia, no? We don't fair the call Jezebel. The Jezebel of social media, please come outside. The Jezebel of social media, the Jezebel that is opening to Mamolika, why you do Lolekia like the Lolekia they sue they open it to for a gay but that relationship relationship of 10 years my people who can still use the heart to break the relationship. Now the same Jezebel still break her. Because Jezebel was thinking that she can use our mommy and adopt her. Not knowing that our mommy was so smart to adopt her first. So the cry that she still crying today is because our mommy adopt her. Because social media don't wise. You don't get friend though. Yeah, I mean no say if you open Toto for Bianca, one day your Toto go there outside. If you open your TOT for Melissa, one day fake account go bring her come outside. Because all those who don't know say you be recorder, you be enemy, you be screenshots, you be this, you be that. If it are so as you refer to do, they open Toto, the Jezebel of social media. Now it be her new name, Jezebel. If you go open your Toto for Bianca, no say fake account go bring her come outside one day. If you go open your Toto for Melissa, we say why use the hell take pack another person load, you feel betray Melissa. Who could be me? Who could be another person? Who feels spoil relationship of 10 years because of jealousy, my people? You get what you know feel spoil. So now you spoil the relationship yourself, not me. I'm not the cause. Because of jealousy, because of babele, because of same person not better pass with lazy ass, broke ass people. Just look at all their crew, they broke rich Nash. Your Nash is sign reward. No shit. Jezebel. Now see so Jezebel. When it be say they open Toto. Una don't know what they pain and they don't cost you they open Toto for again. No, they can't see who they open Toto for. I'm going to give me one open Toto for because if you know say if you open Toto, I tell you this night. If you don't say girl you open Toto, you send your mekus go give. Delete them. In fact, you call that person just the beggar. Because nothing will make your TOT come outside because you be liar. Liar now you be. You be liar. Yes. I did the evil group. They are evil group. You don't know. They are evil group, my dear. Edimufi why call carry club for what they call Lolekia. Because of what? Lolekia the room 011. Is it not be 011? It turn I say na if is it not be room 011 as a person they deny. She did deny. Come outside, call top for Ada Jesus. They gonna punish you. You understand? Because they deny what they swear. Lolekia, you are a Jezebel of social media. Now your new name be that. You are a Jezebel of social media. So you need to know that. For you to open Toto for woman like you are a goner. For you to open Toto at all. Hi. He pay me say no quick my money can take snap that your logo your laga Toto. By now I for don't spread. If my money cannot fit post, I say my money can you give me make I help you post. I'll see help people because that time you see they use fake account to they bring people this. So you know say you don't go see friend like my money can again. The monkey they carry. They post her daughter picture. Oh, the monkey they cry they post. That's so they be now. Nessie love, we never know them. Oh, I should be after talk about when they post the daughter picture, he want die. But he don't reach other person because they sick. He say make they forget. Yeah, forget those one. All of them are the same. Lolekia, a friendship of 10 years is spoiling. While Lolekia they cry to today, we don't feel move on. You know, they see who if the tea don't hold on. If the TOT don't do, you know, they see who they call for video call with because if you know the fear call cover, man, not bad there now. Now we find supporter. You dey find one help you, woman of stress. Nah, 0011, woman of stress. I will help you reduce the stress. I will help you reduce it for calling me on video call. Open that your total useless human being. Open that your total. Make I help you remove. Don't say that they say, I help women of stress. I help you because they go school, you not go. We don't know school when you go. Am I school where you? I go school. Where your schoolmates? If you don't ask them, you don't see schoolmates bring. If you don't ask Lolekia, you go school. Before my people, they see schoolmates. Even primary school that time. Even primary school, secondary school, my people, if I lie that here, you'll see, this girl, my schoolmate that year, oh, you will see my schoolmate, I be not be so. Lolekia not get schoolmates. But if you want to talk, you go say you go school. Nobody don't come outside when Lolekia say, oh, when I see this picture, now my schoolmate that year, oh, like we gotta go school. Now the couple is illiterate. Now she the couple is illiterate. Whereas now you be illiterate. You know the see we open toto for again. I mean no say anything make you open toto for Melissa. Because the way nice now she be asking. The way she take dump Melissa. You know say some people they if they do something, they all they use their head. Because say that person never do unto them. They'll say that person, na good person. When I don't see gang go be saying no make her gather. No one make her do. No one good. She still use her hand to spray all the gang, all the group. And people were full so dumb. They don't know say if for that crew, for them to help her fight. For them to help her. For not see what they do Naomi. Now I go for Naomi. Naomi, that time, you never enter live video, they'll go there. Add me, block her, this, my big mommy. I dear shame and disgrace, not me there, my people. Shame and disgrace. Now to speak English. Can you imagine? English correct. Yeah, English where she they speak. Naomi, you know, not see what they do, Naomi. Social media school. Now in social media school, my dear. Princess. Now in social media school. Isha. He can't gather the crew where they take fights. And is it the do amo? Now I make her see go this woman place. So because they Rita. I make her see go there. You see what? Because the fight where he gather about 12 of the take fights. You don't work. Now I make her see say Lolekia na don't see the dress body go meet Rita. The dress body go meet Tijori. The dress body go meet this one. Because he never see ready to stop. She never see ready to say, may she give up. Because the thing she really they process. Yeah. Lole careful now, look at she they process. Now because that spirit of cassava, fork, and all those things, it in her body. She they process. Yeah. Many people know, but they will not like to say the truth. She is processed. Clean process. Woman go put TOT. Put TOT for ground. What you call the put TOT for ground for? Just to make woman they look your TOT when you don't say you be woman. Make you know when you don't say you be woman. That one they walk oh. If they walk, you see that for us 24 hours. You they open to for social media. If I were her anyway, I could have just used shame to leave. Shame to leave. And when she just leave, if I were her, I will not even talk. It don't go. And after all, she is the one that caused all those problems. We call Warato separation. Understand? Because she didn't expect that they are going to separate like that. She didn't expect they are going to separate. Open Toto. It don't make sense now, my people. Why you open Toto for woman like you? Make she they look. You they deny. What see? All those people, when they follow you, now God will judge. Yes. Come outside and talk for that matter because he got tear born way. Because they say, yeah, very right. See, if you don't know why I'm cursing Lolekia, if you people ask me why I'm insulting Rita, I will tell you people see the reason why I'm insulting her. It's not that Rita offended me because in case of waiting person they swear put. Why are they insulting Rita? Because the way she take time when Monica about to put for head is too much. But when you ask me why they insult Lolekia, number one, she first of all look for my trouble. Yes. So when I still get my offer, I still need to insult her back. Lolekia, what did she do to me for social media? Nobody don't try her. She was the first person to bring me down. So she know. I know the lie. She know what I'm talking. They repeat them every day for my YouTube, for my Facebook. I'll be saying this thing, what she did to me. Lolekia tried to bring me down. She was the first person that wanted to bring me down on social media. Lolekia is the first person. Ask her, she did alive. So nothing will make me forgive Lolekia for what she do me. She disgraced me that time, 2018. I mean 2019. She disgraced her head, not even me. She disgraced her life. As if I dey owe her money. So if somebody say, why are you insulting Lolekia? Respect yourself. Oh. Don't just talk for what you don't understand. Don't just interfere for what you don't know. Because I know why I'm talking. She know the reason. She know my reason. She know why I'm talking to her. And you can see, ever since, she know they both talk to me because what did she do me? If now you they do, it go pay you as well. She do what somebody not supposed to do. As I do my video for my page, everybody do video now. She not go carry video, they talk rubbish. Lolekia carried my video and insult my enemy, say I dey suffer. Say me they can't donate money for me. If you see insults, the way people humiliate my enemy. So please, please, if anybody is here that is Lolekia fans, please, I did not call you on my platform. If you know you love me, you are my lover, you are welcome. But if you don't say you are Lolekia fans, please, I beg you in the name of God, don't call here and tell me what I know. Because I will insult that woman. I know the pain I passed through early 2019. What she did to me, the way this woman humiliate me on social media. Hey, yeah, thank you. Hey, I like the makeup. Thank you, my darling. So please, don't come and tell me what I know. The way she humiliate me is like when you are a presenter, you just come newly. Okay, as me, then I'll spending get to 3 years now on social media. Then you are just coming up. Okay, say, Vera, don't date top. I don't need to near am. Okay, me will call look you. Then maybe you now do a video, say, you just they come. You never do no makeup of a thing. You never do the makeup, the dress like they know what you never felt do before. Then you call the door. Then me, Vera, we now go to your page for me to advise you, say, oh, my darling, oh, you are trying, but you need to work hard on your makeup. You need to work hard on your makeup. Your makeup is not too balanced. Or call to my makeup class. Not be person say, like my makeup, so. Yes. You know, presenter, whenever today, you can ask me, say, Vera, like this on makeup, please teach me. Even if I not the live video. If you call me or normal video, I would say, okay, they check to help her. No. I didn't see such cheap from Lolekia. She said that she be today I mean they do all those makeup. It will take me 6 minutes. No, 5 minutes. I don't do everything finish. I don't need to waste time like before when I was learning. She make me learn because the kind of insult she gave to me. And then people say, why you cancel Lolekia? Respect yourself. Don't come to my platform and say, why me they insult Lolekia? Because when you come here and tell me what I know, if I curse that person will run mad. She know what she did. You can see she don't reply me. She know what she did to me. So as you presenter, I will not call to humiliate you. Carry your video, put it on my page, right? You are suffering. they should come and donate money for you. Your makeup is not good. The suffering is shown all over your body. You, the enemy, they suffer. New presenter, oh. When you knew they can never do makeup like that, oh. You say you be higher, say you learn makeup. Who not learn? I go tell his body compare you. For you to teach me, you didn't teach me. He carry my video. You understand? For her to teach me, she refused to teach me. Oh. She carry my own video. He go put her, maybe go don't delete her for her own page. He carry my video, put it till tomorrow. That thing, they see, they vex me. So when somebody will say, why they cost Lolo? Before you ask me why they cost Lolo, ask Vera, what till Lolo to you? Then I will explain to you. Then you will not understand why I'm angry. He carry her because the page don't go far. If he post something, they see her. This lady carry my video. Not only cut the video, the parts, right? Say, wanna see our sister make up or wait on her tick. No. She carry my video. Useless, lolikia, shameless, she go to share open to toe. He carry my video. Say, hey, Mona, see oh. So person they suffer oh. Mona can't donate money for Mona can't see makeup oh. She need help. She's suffering. Me, I don't know what that happen. There's one man that time when they follow me, all my programs, they always follow me. Then send and give me, say, what do you have with this lady? Somebody says, share your video. He sort you that the comment I check, the insult is too much. I say, who? Say so and so. He said, okay, he go send and give me, or go and check. That's how he sent. Then he send and give me, I can go check. When I see what Lolekia write, I shed tears. People call they cost me. Enter. Say you be like witch. Or Google kill you Lolekia. Bola we where? Oh, we mana ye. Oh, we ma ye falla ye social media. Oh, we mana ye falla ye social media. You can always say I try to forgive woman. You don't know how it is for a woman like you to disgrace you in public. That one not still end there. Oh. I talk am every day. She know everything I'm saying. A lady that I was respecting, looking up to, she come and fall my heart just like that. Not be say I throw word, give them all. Now I make a person say they do saga kill you dear. When I do my own, they do my own. They come find me trouble. I go soft, they do my own. I don't want to talk to those people when they top. Me no go use me shine. Me no go drive me at the house. I go soft, they do my own. But they still come. She still come. Say you want to push me at us. They say at us. Say your enemy be like witch. At us. There is one page called Aproko Den. Not be that one page full everywhere. No, not be Aproko. Village people. Yeah, that page was village people. He carry her for well or care for stop. That one we everywhere. A few people go remember this thing. That one we they insult my enemy. Hey, see wetin Lolekia post about so presenter o. Una know na. As when person go talk, na me talk na. They see wetin me talk about so person. That's what they take carry her. See wetin Lolekia talk about so person no. Now that page all of them they call carry. Come because they cost my money. They say try to forgive one. Come, don't say it. If I were not strong then, when I heard they come, I just they gather my view. But now for them inside. But now for them inside, you will not see me tell me say make I forgive her. I cried. I say, ew. I was having like maybe 7, 8, 10 people be don't they follow me. More now they hear why they vex for how. Then I thought they get like 10 viewers. Not be now when you open Facebook, you see that many they watch you. That time, if you open Facebook, they like nobody they mind you. Nobody they mind you. Nobody help me. I was just on my own and I stand on my lane. I they do my own thing. JJ add hook up. So if they do my own, they come. They say where me they. May I get up, may they beat me. You there they commit nonsense. I beg you. He me like say tomorrow not day. He me to an extent. I don't they get like 7, 10 view. Can you imagine? Because of that video, I lost views. No one, my enemy will do live video. Nobody will watch me because of what she did to me. So before you will come here and say, forgive Lolo. Not talker. Not talker. Not talker. I cry. That time, 10. Not be that when you enter live video, they see you. Not day that time. Now they you're there top and Monica, all of the many people that they rain. Yeah, just they come up. You know when you are coming up for something, they fear. They say those people are the day on top. But really, I was so scared of them. Say, I don't want trauma, I'll give them all. Many they come outside the trauma. I not bold trauma. Go watch all my videos. It did my page, it did my Facebook. If I come outside, I woke up, I start to do my advice for women, for men. I start to come up for them, do my woke up. He said, wear me for one. I can't lose. Nobody call they watch me. Oh. The reason why I'm saying it is this. Oh. Nobody call they watch me then. I go there. Oh. Day. So, you will call me 1. So, I will call me 2. Now, later, that December 2019, I be 2018, 2019, they call bring my matter, come out again. When they call the way, when I up and down, I view cost it take come for me again. When people call it, they still try to follow my page again. When people call they watch me. So when I call finally enter YouTube, so I got to stop a little bit. So like 1 year plus get to 2 years, I not bother to enter my page on video. Because what she did to me really touched me. It touched me. She was the first person to humiliate me, to insult me, to try to quench my enemy. As which now you see so. Because he does still see me say this one where they come so he go shine. She tried to off my lights, but God did not agree. Osamakwe, I stand as a strong woman. Because of the door, I'm not worried. I only reply her once that time. I say, Lolo, I beg. I beg, I see beg her there. I say, I beg. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Now they do my video. I beg. Do your own. We don't curse you. If you see video when me take curse you, bring her. I will not curse you. I will not trauma give you. I beg. Leave me for waste. There's a where I wear gown. I wear red gown. Yeah. In the video. It did down my video. I got to say, I beg. Leave me for waste. I don't even curse her. Because that time the tea still they vex me. I just got to say, leave me alone. Do your own. Make I do my own. But when I call the get fast back, when your cup come full, so I need to give her back to back. So many people should understand why I'm insulting that lady. She's a demon, devil. If she come in that I say, Vera, we they get makeup class, so call join. Even I not to get the money that I okay, come and join. I will thank her. But it's not that she teach me road though. No be say she show me road though. No, just to mock me. Just to make people laugh. People really laugh at me then. Not be now we laugh, you know, they look at anything. They are when they come up, you don't want the person laugh, you don't want insults. If they pay for body. But when the insult don't get it too much, when you are used to it, that is when, if they like, they come out in 10, 200, you know, will feel them again. Because why? You don't they used to it. Then, I never they used to it. I never know this kind of a thing. I just did on my own. Fear. But this woman, maybe you will not delete the video, I don't know. For a word, that he lost this thing at the page. She did one that time. Understand? There are some when you are coming up, you also they do your thing. Maybe you come outside, you they say hey, you they do this. Somebody else come from nowhere because you they suffer, they build up your life. Because he don't they top, go see why you bring you down. Or cause spoil your business. How will you feel? Will you be happy? When your cause spoil small business, when you be there happy, it's okay, don't they grow. You want your off you like that. Because you never get people. Because he don't they on top. Because he don't get follower. How will you feel? So before you come and tell me why you insulting Lolo, you need to ask me, say, Vera, what did she do to you? Like my Monica did not, they say Monica, they look for trouble. Monica don't look for trouble. That time when she do that thing, she and my Monica were 5 and 6. But my Monica did not know when she did it. When they say, you don't know where Monica, they do am. You don't know where Monica. Ask am when he call carry my video for my page, he sought my life. Ask her whether Monica know that time. And they were best friends then. Monica don't know. Monica don't know anything. Don't talk. Put nothing like that video for her page. You know think when Monica page. Monica just they do you. But she that type of person, she go define error. Error. If you see, you know how many people this woman pursue enter us with coded, with pattern. If I were not strong, my dear, I for not be here. If I not strong, I for not be here. You know how many people come up that time when this witch Jezebel drive enter house with carry their videos or their pictures or the video they do not to go to use fake account to publish it. But my she just wanted to do it purposely. Whether they pay her more or a person send her make it be do me back at enter house, so I don't really know. My she did not use fake account. She used the same page which she see they use so. Now she used, maybe she go don't delete video, I don't know. This the same page. Now she used that time. She just post her. The writer put. No be say you carry person video, you load down like that. He write something full called the laugh my enemy. So before you come to here, I'll tell you say Vera, wait till Lala do the custom. Ask me first though. Don't call here and curse me. Because what she did to me that time, if I reason her, if not be she that time, but I know how many thousand when I for don't get. She down more people will be say, if you don't bring me down. He did. She was the first person. Good evening, beautiful lady. You are welcome, Jerry. You are welcome. She was the first person that wanted to just off my lights. Ask her. She did there. As I talk, so carry force. Say, he get with it Vera the complete if I lie, if I add or subtract for what I talk so. If I lie for her, make she come outside, make her swear for me. So please, before you come here and say Vera, why they cause Lolo? That woman I never know her. Jezebel of social media. Now I see so. If go they kill you, they go they shop you. Oh, where they are you? You go they shop you, go they blow you. Go they shop you, go they blow you. Go they shop you, go they blow you. We made it that time when they come outside. We plenty that time. It pursue many enter us. All those who are not strong. It pursue plenty enter us. All those one shock you all them. I didn't enter us. Me, I didn't give up. As he do me, I saw for leave. I saw for call to do my own. Only once when I reply, I'm not both reply again. Me not to go do me another thing. I got to do my own. That today we don't think get my fans. YouTube they give us much change. They give me. They of course say me no feel one. Now I still have my own fans to prepare you. That is called first to do. You know the pain. Second to do. Yeah, go the third to do. Go the your now you go cry blood. So please guys, if you don't know what transpired between me and Lolo, don't see me insulting her. Say Vera, why they cause Lolo? What did she do to? When you hear such thing, ask me, say Vera, what happened between you and Lolo? Then I will explain to you. What did she do me? Hi. It be like you open business with money. You open business and invest all your money for the business. Person go your come, crow for public. You go say your business when you invest money put, you go say no good. You go just spoil for your heart. The people will not be running away from you. How will you feel? It's like you just see the social media. Once they sell with on or they sell things, once they make money for social media, then I will your come from nowhere and say, when I know that person, I 419. So when I know that person, when I don't follow and buy something, I fake something they say. Or the two way they say not good. When I see it, when I follow this person, they buy, or now me be the first class. When I call they follow me, they buy. If now you are, will you feel? Will you be happy? It's as if I just see what you want, what you suffer, put up on your spoiler. You will not be happy. You will not be happy. That is exactly what she did to me. When you don't invest all your time, try to build up where they do, you know they go. You know they both they collect people money. You know they both they do people 419. So that make your business not go down. Because you know say now your source of income when we say you suffer they eat, when they carry you, they go. You know both use that kind of thing, they do evil. There's somebody go your come, go say you be thief. You go just dey label you wetin you not be. You go say you be thief. You go say you be 419. You go say public man not follow and buy something. When they not follow you buy something. You go cause poor you. You go say that they say the original. You go say everything when you they say. You go say that fake. You go say you don't know anything. You be 419. Will you be happy? Maybe if you see kpokpokpo, you go shoot that person. Or if you see where you go feel cut one of your leg, you will do the same thing. So it's because of social media. You reply me in social media, I reply you on social media. Yeah, Loleke is a snake. Of course. Jay-Z has seen. He pursue many people enter house. I don't want your name then. He pursue many people enter house with that pattern. She tried to. He pursue plenty people. That very time when she did do the same thing to me. She used pattern to drive many people inside. She used pattern to drive many people inside. But those ones don't know how far. They will take his number. But my own, she do it with real accounts. Real accounts. She don't hide them. He said, when I call see you, now Lolo and they do that, they be the first class of makeup. Like say me, they follow her, they drag makeup. Like say me, they follow her, they drag makeup. Or they follow her, they drag first class. I can't follow you drag first class. Maybe you're the coming, maybe your mom off yesterday. I can't follow you when you go school for makeup. I can't follow you the drag first class. Say because my makeup was not good. Because I didn't make up very well. That's it though. He said my makeup is not good. Even my dressing is not good. Hi. Mona Kobo, this person is suffering. Oh. You should come and donate money for her. Cha. True. She's wicked. He said my enemy they suffer for breast. Mona come donate money for her sister. Oh, Mona come help her sister. Oh, Mona come about to her sister for suffer. Oh. Not even say, beg, your makeup no go. Wait till I think about this makeup. And when she do that, she did apologize. Say, oh, my darling, I don't know, say the thing go vex you. That one reach to vex you. I better not vex. Now, I just see the carry. Now I see the carry. You know, if not me. Now, what I go talk, I say, oh, it vex you. Oh, I don't know, say it go vex you. I just see the carry up and down. Now I still see, and when I carry, Jare, forget, no vex. That is me for you. Till tomorrow. Till tomorrow, she refused. She refused to say, I'm sorry. She refused to say, forgive me. Oh. Now, long matter, she wicked though. She wicked. Where? She's a beast. Oh, yes, my lovely people. I thank you so much. We'll still try this night anyway. God bless you, guys. Oh, yes, my beautiful people. I will soon round up now, guys. God will bless you. So that is it. So before you try to curse me, insult me, you need to understand and listen why I'm doing such. Especially Lolekia. I cannot forgive her for what she did to me. So if you are just call me, you don't know what it transpire, you don't know what it happen. Don't just come and say, yeah, you can say this person. You the Chris, you the man. No, nobody the Chris, nobody the mad. If you don't offend person, understand? If person don't offend you, know you carry the curse. Understand? So that is it, guys. Oh yes, my lovely people, I thank you all. I appreciate you all for being here, for supporting me, guys. Oh yes, my beautiful people. Thank you, my lovely people. So so maybe like tomorrow, guys, can join me. I don't know, maybe tomorrow or next. I don't know, anytime, any day. So thank you, my beautiful people, all our lovers all over the world. Thank you. I appreciate you. So may I still leave now so that I will sleep after 12 now, so that we'll still go relax. When I not first stay at the enter for now, no say before you go do picking or do this one, make them sleep. Time don't go. So I still look and say maybe this time if you still have breathing time or space a little bit, than daytime if you dey cook that time if you not get chance. So I just okay, Let me just place my time for this kind of time. Sometimes 10, sometimes 11, sometimes after 11. Yeah, very wicked and evil Lolo. Yes, of course. She's wicked though. Pretender must be the worst. Now I say so. Pretender. Ah, cha cha cha. I pity you never know that woman. Until you do a reach your turn, and you go tell no the kind of person when you be. Melissa, when they carry matter for her, no say to take fuck Melissa up. That is her character. Good evening, my lady. You are welcome as well. Thank you. You understand? No say to take fuck Melissa up. Bianca uko. Bianca when they carry matter. No say to do Bianca. So guys, thank you, my beautiful people. Thank you. Let's go and relax. Let's go and sleep, guys. Oh yes, God bless you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you. God bless you for watching. God bless you for standing by. God bless you for staying by. God bless you for just saying, may I still watch what she do today. Thank you. I appreciate you all. All our daddy here, all our mommy here, all our brothers and sisters here. Thank you for being here and thank you for supporting me this night. Thank you. God continue to bless you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you. I'm about to go right now. Try to join me tomorrow. Please, if today is your first time, try to follow my page. Room 011. Please try to follow my page so that anytime I do on live video, you will know when I do my live video, so you can follow up, guys. So thank you. I appreciate you all. I love you all. Yes. I'm about to go now. Good night. Bye.